everyone, welcome to Minimal Mindful Mama. Today I am going to be undecorating from Halloween and decluttering my whole house. I am feeling very overwhelmed by all of it. It's been super busy and has gotten way out of control. So I'm looking forward to creating a clean slate for the upcoming holiday season. And I hope that you'll join with me as I do these things. Whether you have laundry to fold or dishes to do or an area that you've been wanting to declutter, let's go ahead and tackle our things together. It's always more fun to declutter and organize and work with a friend. So let this video be your motivation and keep you on task. We're going to be doing a lot of different things today, so I hope that you'll join me as we declutter for the holiday season. The first thing I'm going to do is take down this Halloween handprint garland that I made with my kids. I do have a gingerbread man garland that I'll put up come Christmas season, but for now I'm just going to take this one down and pack it away for next year and leave this area blank. There's a lot of other cleaning and tidying that I could be starting with, but I kind of wanted to take down some of the decor first so that I can just focus on cleaning and not worry about those things being in the way. The next thing I'm going to do is start on my living room. I'm going through my books first. We have a lot of different holiday themed books and I had gotten out some for Halloween, so I'm going to pull those all off the shelf to make room for just the regular fall as well as the few Thanksgiving books that we have. I'm really just focusing on putting away anything Halloween first and then I'll start on the cleaning. If you're noticing all the outfit changes, this video did take me several days to complete, so don't be discouraged at all if you start decluttering and feel like you have to come back to it later or don't get as much done as you had hoped. It's definitely a process and it can take several days or even several weeks to get it all done. So just keep going and do as much as you can. You can always come back to it later if you need to. Also, if you're a mama like me, you know that sometimes you just get spilled on or random things happen to your clothes and you just have to change them anyway. So let's all just give ourselves a little bit of grace as we try to care well for our homes. If you guys are enjoying this video, please be sure to like and subscribe down below and leave a comment and tell me what you're most looking forward to this holiday season. As you can see, things were getting way out of control, so I'm really happy to be tackling all of this mess. One of the biggest things that needs to be done is the dishes need to be caught up on, and so I'm going to take a good amount of time and work on that. love having a cleaned up kitchen. It doesn't often happen in this house, not nearly as often as I would like, but it makes me so happy when the counters are clear and everything is just ready to be used. The next thing I'm going to do is go through my kids' clothes. I know they have some things in here that they've definitely outgrown, as well as a few Halloween themed outfits that we'll put away for next year. There's Once Upon a Child near us where sometimes I'll sell some of our better condition clothing. And there's also a really great free clothing swap that I save things for and bring clothing to that happens twice a year. So if you're looking for options other than just donating to Goodwill, definitely check out what resources are available in your area. There may be clothing recycling, or you could start a clothing swap. There's also Buy Nothing groups on Facebook, which are really, really great. So I highly recommend checking if you have one of those for your local area. Next, I'm going to go ahead and switch some things over to November. So I have this really cute print that I found and I printed out, and it just has a little quote about November, and I've been excited to put that up and frame it. And so we're going to go ahead and put that in the frame. And then I'm going to switch my calendar over and just do a whole monthly reset of that so we're set for the coming month. Next, I'm going to dry some oranges for decor. So I'm going to thinly slice these old oranges that I have that are just a little past their prime. And then I'm going to put them in the oven on a tray and bake them at like 200 degrees for a while until they dehydrate and are usable for Christmas decorations or gifts or things like that. I also had the kids help me go through their toys as well as their art center. I have a basket at the art center for all of their school papers. So when they come home from school, they empty their folders into this basket. But I have not gone through those papers in far longer than I should. And so today I'm having them help me sort through it all and determine what they want to keep and what we can put in this box to use for kindling for the fire. This was a really satisfying before and after, and I'm really happy with the results. Tonight I'm having some friends over, so I'm really excited. We're gonna do this cute candle craft that I found on Pinterest, where you can use tea light candles that are colored to paint the white tapers, or you can use the clear tea lights to actually add pressed flowers or leaves onto your candles. It was so fun. It was really cozy and we had such a fun time, and all of the candles turned out amazing. They were just beautiful, and it was a really fun and almost mesmerizing craft idea. So if you need a fun idea for a date night in or a girls' night, I definitely recommend trying this one. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed today's video, and I hope that you got a lot done. Let me know in the comments down below what kind of video you'd love to see next. I have a couple fun ideas planned, but I'm always looking for your input because I want to create content that is helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching. Before you go, be sure to like and subscribe down below, and I'll see you very soon in the next video.